All right, with that, we shift our attention to Karnataka, where the BJP says that land which was actually meant for the public space has now been granted to the Congress party. Listen in to the BJP's attack.
करीब 2 दर्जन 24 ऐसी सरकारी जमीनें थी जहां पे कर्नाटका की जनता के लिए सिविक एमिनिटीज आनी थी। जो प्लानिंग की जाती है कि जनता के लिए किस तरह की जरूरतें हैं, उन जरूरतों को पूरा किया जाए। और जब अखबार में ये आया, ये 2 दर्जन 24 ऐसी सिविक एमिनिटीज हैं जो कि जनता के हित के लिए अब इस्तेमाल नहीं होंगी। ये इस्तेमाल हो रही हैं कांग्रेस के भवन बनाने के लिए। 12 प्लॉट मुख्यमंत्री सिद्धरामैया जी ने म्युनिसिपल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के दे दिए हैं कांग्रेस भवन ट्रस्ट को, और 12 और प्लॉट जो अर्बन डेवलपमेंट मंत्रालय के हैं ये भी दे दिए हैं कांग्रेस भवन ट्रस्ट को। बताया जाता है इनकी कीमत लगभग 40 से 50 करोड़ है। और दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण क्या है, देखिए 50 करोड़ के प्लॉट कांग्रेस पार्टी को, नकली गांधी परिवार को कितने में मिले? 2 करोड़ रुपए में। 2 करोड़ में 50 करोड़ की सरकारी जमीन को हड़प गए राहुल गांधी हड़पू। तो आज सवाल पूछा जाएगा, सिद्धरामैया जी ये बताइए, सरकारी जमीन स्टेट लार्जेस्ट, एंड द ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट in many verdicts have said state largest, state land, state resources have to be utilized for the larger benefit of the people of the country and the state. Then why is it so? The Karnataka Congress government under the leadership of CM Siddaramaiah ji is transferring 24 pieces of land meant for civic amenities for the citizens of Karnataka, converting them to be used as Congress party headquarters. And this is happening after we have seen the abuse of power by the fake Gandhi family in the National Herald case. Second, Robert Vadra ensuring that the Congress government in Haryana then changes the land use and gives him permission where land of the farmers was acquired and transferred to Robert Vadra. In that sequence, if you see, it is worrisome that a chief minister of a state is not concerned about the people of the state. What about toilets, rest houses, other civic amenities required? These 24 sites have been transferred to the Congress Bhavan Trust. They are valued around 50 crores. The corruption-prone Congress gets it for 2 crores. Outright corruption of 48 crores visible. The market value may be even higher now. And the sad part is, what is the purpose of this transfer of land from civic amenities to building Congress offices? The target is 100. Don't miss the target. So these are 24 sites. The target is 100 Congress Bhavans. Now, why is this being done? So one, for the Congress party, the people of the state and the country don't matter. The DNA of the Congress is this, that we have to we have to appease the fake Gandhi family. The power tussle in Karnataka. We have seen how Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, glued to his chair, not worried about the people of the state, is being pushed, is being thrown out of the chair by whom? The Deputy CM, D.K. Shivkumar, who is himself wanting to be the CM. And I am not saying this. This statement has come out in public on a number of occasions where he said that there was a 2.5-year formula and the Chief Minister has to be changed. Third point, if there is a power struggle within the Congress, if there is a need to please the fake Gandhi family within the Congress, the larger point that I wish to raise is, should the people of Karnataka suffer because of that? Does that give a license to the Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah, to grab public use land and convert it into Congress property, and that too at a meager price, not even paying the market value to the government? And it would not be wrong to say, जिनको सुरक्षा करनी थी सरकारी संपत्ति की, वो मुख्यमंत्री, वो उप मुख्यमंत्री आज खुद लुटेरे बन गए हैं. इनका एक ही मकसद है, जहां जाऊंगा वहां करप्शन लाऊंगा. मैं आया हूं, तुम्हारा कुछ तो लेके जाऊंगा. टॉयलेट, स्कूल, अस्पताल, शेल्टर होम से मुझे कोई मतलब नहीं है. मुझे केवल एक ही मतलब है, कांग्रेस पार्टी में रहना है तो नकली गांधी बार बार कहना है. और ये कब है कर्नाटका में? कम अवधि में. आप याद करिए मूडा स्कैम. ये मूडा स्कैम फिर से जमीन से जुड़ा था. इसके तार जुड़ रहे थे मुख्यमंत्री सिद्धारमैया जी से. उनकी धर्मपत्नी जी को उस वक्त, अगर मुझे याद है, 14 प्लॉट अलॉट किए थे. जब पकड़े गए तो कहने लगे कि हम लौटा देंगे. ये 4,000 करोड़ का स्कैम था, जमीन से जुड़ा हुआ था. जनता का हित तो इसमें था नहीं. इसके बाद एक डिफेंस एरोस्पेस पार्क, फिर से जमीन का घोटाला. नाम किसका आया? कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी और उनके परिवार का. उनको अलॉटमेंट कर दिया. एक ट्रस्ट था इनके नाम. वाल्मीकि स्कैम, जो एससी एसटी कम्युनिटी है उसके लिए जो फंड्स थे करीब 200 करोड़ के, उसका डायवर्जन हुआ, दुरुपयोग हुआ अपने लाभ के लिए. और अब मैं आपके सामने ला रहा हूं किस तरह से सिविक कम्युनिटीज के लिए जो सरकारी संपत्ति, जो लैंड नागरिकों के हित के लिए काम आना था, उसका कन्वर्जन करके कांग्रेस भवन, कांग्रेस के हेडक्वार्टर पूरे प्रदेश में बने, ये तय हो रहा है. ये बेहद ही चिंताजनक है. और खासकर चिंताजनक इसलिए है कि पहले तो ये पॉलिसी डिसीजन ही गलत है. दूसरा, औने पौने भाव में जो सरकारी संपत्ति को कन्वर्ट किया जा रहा है कांग्रेस की संपत्ति में, और कांग्रेस का मतलब है नकली गांधी परिवार की संपत्ति में, तो जनता कर्नाटका की भी इस मुद्दे को उठा रही है. और हम लोग भी यहां से ये सवाल, खासकर नेता प्रतिपक्ष.
So here is the attack that came in from the BJP. The BJP says that the money and the land that was for the public good has now been given to the Congress. Now let's get you the Congress reaction as well, because the Karnataka government has responded to this. Listen in to what they have said.
Of course, we are conducting on the 100 years of Mahatma Gandhi ji, 100 Bhavan. I have not taken, I'm just taking 5,000, 10,000, 3,000 square feet. In Bangalore city, I think at the time of BJP, they have taken more than 100 places in the name of trusts for the various institutions, where I don't want to tell. In the private institution, again, some of them, their parties, them are inside, and they took out a Chanakya University. There the value of the Chanakya University is minimum 10 crores. They have taken it at 50 lakhs. They have misused the power. It is a temple.
Interesting reaction from DK Shivkumar. He doesn't deny it, instead goes on to say that even BJP did it during their tenure. My colleague Navya is with us. Navya, what are the details of the case? BJP says that this is misappropriation, while Congress says, well, you did it too.
Well, of course, Pratibha, the Karnataka government has allotted 24 civic amenity sites for constructing Congress Bhavan to INC. Well, they also, in fact, these lands are for public facilities, to build schools. While BJP questions that why is the public property, the government land, being used, and that too at a concessional rates. While countering this, DK Shivkumar has said that it is not just as even you have done it in your tenure, even you have taken. If not for that, how was the RSS office been built? How is everything been done? Then there is nothing wrong in that. Well, we have also seen BJP attacking that corruption and Congress are like twins. In fact, we have heard, BJP leaders citing how this is also linked to Muda, and like Muda, this is also another scam that they are coming up with, Pratibha.
Okay, all right, Navya, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, we shift our attention to another story from Karnataka, which is of a foreign tour